fish I've eat. To be here is to be where the grass is green and the girls are pretty. Oh, won't you please let me stay just a little bit more here at Banana Bungalow, West Hollywood, please, please. Sad face, heart, heart, heart. Exceptional, great value for the location. A cool place. I will not write much, it's cute and different and the service is good. I liked it. Good enough. This is a cheap motel. Don't expect luxury. It's good for short visit and if you just want a room to sleep and shower while you're in LA. 5 used for the parking spot. Great place to stay. Front desk, customer service sucks. Great place to stay, cheap and affordable, so don't expect the Hilton or Ritz when you arrive, but certainly value for money. Only downfall is customer service. With staff. They hire backpackers for front desk, so the desk people aren't there cause they want to, but cause they have to, as it pays for their rooms. I said hello every time I came and left for the day but was ignored. I come from a hotel and hospitality background, so I get the industry, and customer service always makes a lot of your experience when you stay. Other than that, awesome place. Good. Good.